Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a banner for your members profile on LinkedIn. So a banner is a representation of what you do, who you are, and how you help people. So what you want to focus on your banner is your branding colors and what type of messages or call to action do you want to relay in your banner. There are so many different ways that you can incorporate call to actions, and one of them, the most effective way, is visually, right? So let me show you really quick how I created my banner. So these are two banners that I kind of like to go back and forth. I'm very straight to the point, who do I help? What do I do? And in your banner, maybe you want to relay a message of download an ebook or register for, maybe an upcoming event that you have. So let's go ahead and work on a banner together. So then this way you'll see how easy the process is. Because a lot of people, when they're just starting on Canva, they kind of shy away from it because they're unfamiliar of how to create these designs. But I can promise you that these designs are really simple, and they are also simplified for you because they've already pre-made templates that the marketers use, people that actually studied social behavior, how to market to people, what appeals to the human eye. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is just customize and tailor it to what you want it to be. But let's go ahead and start with creating your banner. Okay, so what I do is I'll go ahead and click design. So when you do that, it's already typed in for me. You're just gonna type in LinkedIn banner. You're gonna see a variety of LinkedIn designs kind of pop up. So what you wanna do is you wanna choose the LinkedIn background, okay? So once you have your background, this is the size that, it's tailored for the banner, for your members profile. So right here is a blank canvas. I'm just gonna go over here to my actual design, and I'm gonna go ahead and create it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and create the first design. So what I did first was I just chose one of my photos from my library. I just type in sofa because I know that that's where the photos are of the sofa. So, or of this image. So what I do is I just size it up, similar to that. And then I go ahead and I edit the photo, and then I remove the background. So this creates a blank canvas behind you. So once I achieve that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the color. What color do I want my background to be? Now, purple and yellow are my branding colors, and orange and pink, sometimes I use them depending on what type of event or flyer I'm putting together. So I'm gonna go ahead and in the back here, I'm gonna put purple. So now it's gonna look like that. And then what I wanna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add some text to it. I'm gonna go ahead and add this text. Now I use this Cerebri for my text. I would recommend you having just one text design for all of your marketing materials because it's just consistent with what you're doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and type in what I want here. You can create the of course, any banner that you like. I'm just showing you, if you're not familiar with how to do one, this is kind of like how you do it. So I go ahead and type in the letters. Maybe I'll put them small. Maybe I want to add that target. So I'll go to elements here on Canva and I'll type in target. And then you're going to see the targets pop up. So you can pick any target you want. I'm just going to choose this one just for the video. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and do like this background effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in rectangle, white rectangle, and then it's going to pop up like this. And then the good thing is that, you can size it, you can change the color. So right there, I went ahead and just put a black box. So now I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change it to white. So now it looks like it's looking together. I'm going to go ahead and position here on the right hand side, assuming that it's the same for you. So I went ahead and clicked on background, so now it's behind me. See? So now the letters are behind me. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my text. I'm going to change it to Cerebri Bold. Clearly I can't talk. And then I go ahead and enlarge the text, and then you enlarge it to the size that you want. Oops. Okay, so let's do that. So sometimes you may have to just move this with your mouse, because see what happens when you do that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and move this with the mouse. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and type in, make sure it's black, 1, 2. Generate daily leads in your business. I don't know how I spell today. So now that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put your business down there. Boom. Okay. Bold it up. So that's kind of how I had it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some more text to it. So I like to put the letters on the side because you can see it better when you are viewing it on a mobile view, since a lot of people are always on their mobile when they're looking on the internet. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and relay the message that I have training coming up. So then this way, when people connect with me on LinkedIn, they can see the things that I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add that lead magnet link, and I'll show you. So then this way you can add it to, you can add the link to your profile, and then you can, you know, have people do what you want them to do. You want them to sign up to a newsletter or something like that. Okay. So right here I wrote, register for the live workshop training on how to generate more leads on LinkedIn. So maybe I'll change this one up a little bit. I could change the color. So let's see. Okay, right there. And then I have Facebook and Instagram. So maybe I want people to follow me on my page. Actually, first let me add the arrow. Oops. Okay, so I go back to Element. Element is where you're gonna find all of your little icons. So I already kind of had an arrow. So let me go ahead and choose that arrow. So the way that you're gonna have to pick it or control it is with your arrow button. Hold on, there has to be an easier way. Hold on. Let me, okay, boom. Okay, here we go. So let me go ahead and change the color so I can actually see it. So you can always change this too, right here on the top. You can flip it. See? Okay. You can make it smaller, size it. You can shift it. I mean, I've been using Canva for a little bit, so I have built a little level of fluency for the platform. Okay, cool. All right, so now I'm letting people know what I'm doing and what I want them to do. Okay, so now if I want to go ahead and add my social media stuff, I can just go ahead and type in, excuse me, all right, follow me at my coach Viviana, and you can, you know, do it how you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower that, bold it, and maybe I will do it this color. All right, so I'm just showing you guys. I'm gonna go back to elements, and I'm gonna get the little Facebook symbol. because I think it looks very cool. Oh, come on. Okay, so I'll put it here so people know find me on Facebook, Instagram. They're both the same handle. So is my company page. It just makes it easier for people to remember. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Okay, so I put it there. So you can always change the color. There's ones that you can change the color. And that's kind of what I did here. So see over here, I changed the color to purple, my branding color. So, you know, you can make it cohesive to what you're doing. All right, so that's how you create a banner. Now, if you want to upload the banner, what you do is you're going to go ahead and click on share, download, and it's going to tell you right here on the file type, how do you want to download your banner. So make sure you download it as a PNG, or, well, I will say PNG. And over here where it says select pages, unselect all of them and then just select the one that you are wanting to use. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded it. So now I'm going to go to my profile and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. So you see right here, it has a little pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil on my member's profile. I'm going to go ahead and change photo, upload new photo. And then over here, I'm going to go ahead and apply. Boom. So that's how you create a banner. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you know what to do. There's a space for discussions. So if you want to share anything in the class, you can do that as well. So, all right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.